Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I am here with the Dollar General clearance event and some coupons for you that will go with this event. So our core and seasonal clearance event starts Friday, February 28th through March 3rd. Select stores may do an additional 70% off, but not every store will do that, so that's your miles may vary. Up first, we have football, blue and gray dot apparel, and the brown dot home items going to be an additional 50% off. Also at an additional 50% off is the gifting tier table, holiday plastics, red dot home, and red triangle socks, along with select as seen on TV, electronics, stationery, Super Bowl party, and Valentine's. The following items are just 50% off, not the additional 50% off. So we're going to have blue and yellow star toys, the Preto wipes, I think that's how you say that one, and purple dot home. So these will be 50% off, not an additional 50% off. And then our big star of this video is our clearance section, and POG orange tags will be an additional 50% off. So we have pulled from in-store pictures that we have. Some are from lists and things that we've noticed as we do the coupons each week. All these items that you're seeing here, we put the UPCs for you. We have some pictures. Anything that you see in your clearance section or in the regular aisles throughout the store where they have those orange tags like you see on this one, if you scan them with your Dollar General app set to the store you are shopping in, you can check and see if there are coupons. So now I know we have coupons on Suave right now, and that is, I believe it's $2 off when you spend $8, I think it is, off the top of my memory. So keep that in mind. We have several of the Suave images from in-store here for you. As these play through, I'm going to pop back in and out. So everything in this video that you are seeing from this point forward, or from when the clearance pictures started showing, all of these have some form of a coupon, a cashback, or it will activate your P&G. We have that save $10 when you spend $30, you save the $10 off your next purchase. So as you saw in that last one, that had a cashback offer on that. You can also check your rebate apps for offers as well. So I'm going to let these play through. I'll pop back in here and there. We have a website post going that has more visuals of grocery items. There's other items as well as, like the personal care. There's miscellaneous. We have a website post with that. I will link that below because I also link to our seasonal category visuals in that post. So this one is new on the Colgate Slim toothbrushes. They were $3.02, but that was on Sunday, and now they are marked down to $3. These are some other UPCs for Suave items. The top several ones were the 97 cents. I have an arrow pointing to the bottom one. That one was a different price. Again, these all have coupons. On the cereal for the General Mills, many of them have coupons, so make sure you're scanning with your app. My stores do not have the POG clearance marked with orange tags, so Autumn, her store, did have them, so that's where most of these where you see the 10% tag on them, most of them came from her stores. Now, with the General Mills, be sure you are checking Fetch Rewards as well. If you're stocking up on any of these General Mills products that you're seeing in this video, or even if you find some in your store that we do not have featured here for you, make sure you're checking Fetch Rewards and scanning your receipts into Fetch Rewards, because there are offers for General Mills through Fetch Rewards. On this one here, I say check the expiration date because when I made this, there were digital coupons, but I believe they expire on the 1st. This one also has a cashback offer. Now these cleaning items that you're seeing here, I found in my store. They were on an end cap. They weren't actually in the clearance section, but they do have the yellow sticker. And there is one, and I believe it's this next one coming up, where, yes, you can kind of see on the label itself, they had written the price. It's $9.95, but it is clearance in my store. So again, what you see here, you may find something different at your store, but this is just a general guide. These with the P&G, that means that they will activate that P&G coupon. So we tried to put the P&G logo. We may have missed a few. So, you know, again, when you're scanning to do your shopping, just check for whatever coupons or offers you have available for you in your account. As we come to the last few screenshots in this video, I just want to let you know I'm sorry if there's a couple that are duplicate. We do have some paper products that are in the clearance. These here are only the ones that have coupons. Some have been in clearance for a while, so make sure you're scanning in store. Again, we say scan, scan, scan because it does make a difference. What may be looking the same may have a different UPC, package may have changed. Anything is possible with the products that are in the sale. So be sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Make sure you share so your friends can save too. I will have everything linked in the description box below for you. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're excited about this sale. Bye guys.